cell to form a zygote, which is the first step in development of a new human being. This process involves several stages. One is the penetration of the coronary lateral. The sperm must penetrate the outer layer of the cell surrounding the egg. The second is penetration of the zona lucida. The sperm then must pass through a thick extracellular matrix that surrounds the egg. And the third is fusion of membranes. The sperm cells membranes fuse with an egg cell's membrane. So, fusions of nuclei and zygote formation. The fourth, genetically material form of sperm and the egg combine to form a zygote, establishing the normal number of chromosomes in human, 46 chromosomes. And after fertilization, zygote begins to divide and develop, eventually implanting the uterus to start a growth process that leads to pregnancy. Fertilization typically occurs in the fallopian tubes within the female reproductive system.
The viability of a human egg after ovulation is a critical factor in the reproductive process. Once released from the ovary during ovulation, the egg has a limited window of opportunity for fertilization. On average, a human egg remains viable for approximately 12 to 24 hours after ovulation. This short time frame underscores the importance of timing for couples trying to conceive. Sperm must be present in the female reproductive tract prior to ovulation or shortly thereafter to have a chance of fertilizing the egg. This delicate synchronization between the release of the egg and the presence of viable sperm highlights the interaxis of human reproduction. Various factors such as the health of our reproductive system and hormonal balance can influence the viability of the egg and the likelihood of successful fertilization. Understanding the timeline of egg viability after ovulation is crucial for individuals and couples navigating the journey of conception and family planning.
The sperm role in fertilization is pivotal. It carries the father's genetic material package in its nucleus towards the egg. Through a complex journey propelled by its tail, the sperm navigates through the female reproductive tract, guided by a chemical cue. Upon reaching the egg, it releases enzymes to penetrate the egg's protective layers. Successful penetration leads to the fusion of the sperm with the egg, forming a zygote. This fusion merges the genetic material from the both parents, creating a unique combination of chromosomes that will determine the traits of the offspring. In essence, the sperm journey and the union with the egg mark the beginning of the process of fertilization, essential for the creation of new life.
After fertilization, the zygote undergoes a series of transformative processes. Initially, it divides through cleavage, forming a cluster of cells called a blastocyst. This blastocyst then imparts itself into the lining of the uterus. Once implanted, it begins to differentiate, with some cells becoming the embryo and other supporting structures like the placenta, oviducts, and memes. The embryo develops various organs, systems, and structures, eventually becoming a fetus. And this fetus continues to grow and mature within the uterus.
Various factors can affect fertility in both men and women, including age, because fertility declines with age, with women experiencing a significant decrease in fertility after their mid-30s, and men experiencing a gradual decline in sperm quality and quantity as they age, and also lifestyle factors such as diet and exercise. And another one is underlying medical conditions such as polycystic ovary syndrome or PCOS, and endometriosis and pelvic inflammatory disease or PID can also affect fertility in women. And in men, conditions such as erectile dysfunction, varicocele, and certain genetic conditions can impact fertility. Environmental factors and genetics. These can impact the quality and quantity of sperms and eggs, as well as the overall reproductive health of individuals.